Hey guys, today I want to tell you about the very important good habits which every Indian defense aspirants must have in their daily routine or a daily life. Number one is waking up early in the morning. Waking up early in the morning is a very important part, as you know, till the time of retirement or at the time of joining. Means from the date of joining till the time of retirement, you guys have to wake early in the morning over there. So make it habitual from now onwards to wake early in the morning. Number two is good stamina. Good stamina, you know, it includes a proper workout. You guys have to do a daily workout, a daily proper workout. Don't skip it at all for a single day. And either in the evening, either in the morning, whenever you are getting time, just do a proper workout and maintain your good stamina. Number third is a self-reliance. Self-reliance includes don't rely on others for little things or for anything. Do your own thing by your own self. So which include, you know, making up bed early in the morning, washing your clothes, folding your clothes, or any little things. You guys can start doing these things today onwards. Now coming to the fourth part, which is determination. And I think determination is, you know, something which is a very good and very important habit for every defense aspirant who are preparing for defense examination. You know, you guys have to determine towards your goal, towards your mission, until the mission or goal is accomplished. Whatever is happening, whatever will happen, just don't focus on to that. Focus on your goal and accomplish your mission or goal, whatever you want to achieve. Now coming to the next and last one, which is the self-discipline. Self-discipline means, you know, you just don't have to rely on others for your self-discipline thing. Discipline yourself by your own. You know, like if you want to wake up early in the morning, so you're gonna call your mama, you're gonna say your dada to wake you up early in the morning. Arey mama, please wake me up early in the morning, I have to read this, I have to go there, I have to. Just do it by your own self. Don't rely on others. Make yourself discipline by your own. Wake up early in the morning, do proper workout. It includes your hair, your dress, your dressing style, or, you know, the way you are talking or everything. So just be a self-discipline thing and do all these 5 things from today now onwards, which will very helpful in future for you. You know, I'm remembering one quote, I'll tell you, which is habits changes into a character. Which, like, this statement is very accurate and very correct, like I think. Because whatever you are doing, whatever you are practicing for today is going to be a person you're going to be in a future, okay? Which means, in short, I'm telling you, habits builds to you and your future too, okay? Bye bye, take care. That's all for